Ever feel powerless on your outdoor adventures? Meet the Allpowers R4000. This little powerhouse packs a whopping 3,456 watt-hours of juice. That's enough to keep your entire campsite buzzing with energy. Need to charge up fast? No problem. The R4000 goes from zero to hero in just 2 hours. With more ports than an octopus has arms, you can power everything from your phone to your RV. Feeling extra power hungry? Expand its capacity up to 6 times. It's not just for camping. The R4000 is your home's best friend during power outages. Control it with your smartphone app. It's like having a genie in a high-tech bottle. And with its long-lasting LiFePO 4 battery, it'll be your trusty sidekick for over a decade. So why wait? Power up your adventures with the Allpowers R4000. Discover more about the Allpowers R4000, including all its features and performance details, by clicking the link in the description below.